YouTube sent my brother an email to tell him that he is now eligible for monetization, and this is after he got his 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers in the last 365 days. So I want to show you the process. Like, I want you to join me in the process, especially for those of you who are still working towards your monetization. This video is very important for you so that you see all the steps and possible mistakes that you can actually make during your monetization. Yeah, so let me share my PC screen with you immediately, and you can see this is the email here. And as we can see, the email arrived on May 17, 2026 at 11 a.m., which is just 2 days ago. And it says, big news. You can now earn from ads, channel memberships, shopping, and more. So when we scroll down here, you can see partner program with all their goodies. Understand? And this is Dantic FX, which we will talk about that later, like more about the channel. But for now, this is the message. You've put in the work, now watch your passion pay off. This is message from YouTube. Congratulations. Through growing your channel and community of fans, you can now apply to be part of the YouTube Partner Program, YPP. If accepted, you will be able to earn from ad revenue, funding products, YouTube Premium revenue, YouTube Shopping, Creator Music, and Brand Connect. Apply today to see where your YPP creator journey can take you. And when you scroll down a bit, you are going to see the start application. And they also said, in the meantime, if you have any question, you can visit the YouTube Help Center. Thank you. So if you like, you can start applying from here, which is inside your email, or you can go straight to your YouTube studio. And then when you go to your YouTube studio here, then we are going to scroll down and find earning. So we will click on earn. And here is where we normally check the watch hours and how many subscribers the person has gotten so far. Okay, so over here you can see the same message here. We are no longer seeing the measurement of the watch hours and the subscribers. All we see right now is earn from ads, YouTube Premium on the watch page. Like, everything right here is completed, and it's just all about apply. And this is the apply button. So before you get to this stage, you need to get the 4,000 watch hours, which I've made a lot of videos on how you can get 4,000 watch hours. And you also need 1,000 subscribers. Okay, and at the end of the day, the third option that you're going to need for you is for you to enable two-factor authentication on your Google account. And once you've done this, they are going to send you an email. But if you do not enable the two-factor authenticator, they won't be able to send you email. So make sure you do that. Okay, so now let's proceed with the application. I'm going to click apply now. And they said one-time verification needed. To apply for monetization and gain access to other advanced YouTube features, complete a brief verification. This extra step helps us to limit spammers and maintain a safer community for everyone. Learn more here. See all the features and how to get them in channel settings. Then We are going to click on next. Now, get advanced features. So help us protect community by verifying your channel. Approval usually takes just within a few hours. So take a 6-second video of yourself, 6 seconds, or take a photo of your ID, or build history as you go. As you use YouTube and follow YouTube community guidelines, you build channel history. Once you have enough history, you will automatically unlock features. This usually takes like 2 months of active use. You see that? So how long will my information be stored? Will automatically delete your verification within 2 years. It's often deleted earlier. For example, we delete it after you've built sufficient channel history. Okay, so if you haven't used advanced feature for a year, okay, so right now we have to select, take a photo of your ID. That one will be more convenient. Okay, that's the one they usually accept very quick and fast. So you click next. So get email to start verification on your phone. Now Google is sending the verification link to this email address. Open it on your phone to start your verification using your phone's camera. So at this very moment, if we click get email, they are going to send us a link to your email, and inside that email they are going to expect you to do what? Open it on your phone to start verification using your phone's camera. So since we chose ID, that means you need to get your ID card ready. Then you're going to use your phone camera to capture the ID according to the way they are going to direct you. Now let us click on get email. We sent you an email. Check your email for a verification link. Open that link on your phone using your phone's camera to submit your verification. It may take few minutes for your status on YouTube to be updated. So it said didn't receive the email. Go to myaccount.com /identity document, and then or you can just resend email. Now let me quickly go to my phone and check and see if this email has arrived. After verifying yourself to YouTube to understand who you are, the next thing right now is just to click done. Okay, then I'm going to refresh the page so that we see the next thing forward. Now we scroll down and then we are going to click on apply again, and what we see here is the steps. We do have the step 1, which is review base terms. Read these terms carefully as these apply to your participation in the YouTube Partner Program. So these steps, both you can see from here that we have step 1, step 2, and step 3. So each and every step is very important to YouTube, which is why you also need to take your time and read it carefully before. You have to read it, okay? So now let's start with the step 1. So when you click on start, the step 1 is review base terms. And because of time, I don't want this video to be too long, so we are not going to be reading it all through. So just take your time and read through it. What I'm going to do right now is just scroll down. Make sure I go through it. Then we accept the base terms and conditions. And step 1 is done. And we go to step 2. Step 2 is to sign up for AdSense for YouTube. Create a new AdSense for YouTube account or connect an existing account to your channel. You need an AdSense for YouTube account to get monetized and get paid. So this is like your YouTube wallet. Okay, so if you want me to make more videos about AdSense to explain to you how it works, let me know in the comment section and I will make a video on that. Now let's go ahead with the step 2. You will be redirected to AdSense for YouTube to complete this step. You have an existing AdSense or AdSense for YouTube account. No, I don't have an existing account. On the next screen, choose the Google account you want to create an AdSense for YouTube account with. You'll be redirected. Then we click continue. So this is the Google account that we want to use for this application. That is what we want to use for to sign up for the AdSense. Let's get you started. This is your channel URL and this is your billing country or your billing territory. Your payments, your country territory is based on your current location. Check it's correct so we can verify your account, as you can't change it later. So this your billing country or territory have to be based on where you are currently staying at that moment of verification. So it's something that you need to make sure you select the right thing, because you wouldn't have option to change it later. Now we scroll down here and then AdSense for YouTube terms and conditions. You make sure to go through it. Then you click on I have read and accept the agreement. Set up account. That's it. Your account is created successfully. Your AdSense account is created successfully, and this is your profile. Now we'll go ahead and click on this AdSense. Now when you scroll down here, they are going to ask you to submit your AdSense information, the information that they have gathered on your profile. Then you click on submit. Okay, so now we are reviewing your information. Reviews usually take less than a day, but in some cases can take a bit longer. Okay, so that's it. Now it is redirecting us back to the YouTube Creator Studio. Guys, I hope you are enjoying the process. Please, if this video is helpful to you, make sure to like this video so that more people, this video will be recommended to more people. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. Okay, let me just give you a moment to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for subscribing to this channel. If you have any question at all, make sure to drop it in the comment section. Anything related to AdSense, anything related to YouTube monetization, let me know in the comment section and I'll be glad to assist you. So step 1 is done. Step 2 is in progress, which is in review. We've already done our part. Now all is left is for the Google AdSense to get verified. So let's scroll down. That's it for now. Okay, so then step 3 right now says that YouTube you see the step 2 is still in progress. Now there's step 3 says YouTube will review your channel to make sure it complies with the YouTube monetization policy. We will email you a decision, usually within a month. This step will begin automatically after you complete the first 2 steps. So meaning that if the step 2 is not completed, then the step 3 cannot be activated. Okay, so this step 3 right now says your account is being created or associated. The approval and association process usually takes within several days, but in some cases it can take 2 to 3 weeks. So what we have to do right now is to verify the AdSense. Okay, so guys, that is all for this video today. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to verify the AdSense account. Okay, so I don't want to make this video too long, guys. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to verify the AdSense, the whole process that we are going to take until this channel is started getting paid and everything is flowing well. Thanks for watching this video. Stay blessed.